Hey everyone, it's not Mr. Anderson, it's Tommy McBride, senior AP Bio student, and today we're going to talk about something called Turner syndrome. As we know, the genotypes of every cell in the typical human body have 23 pairs of chromosomes, which contain our DNA. One of these pairs of chromosomes is the sex chromosomes. In males, this pair of chromosomes will have an X chromosome and a Y chromosome, while in females, they'll have two X chromosomes. Turner syndrome is a disorder in which one of the X chromosomes in females is missing or dysfunctional. Therefore, it only occurs in females. The loss or detriment of an X chromosome occurs randomly. However, most are due to failure of sperm and eggs, sex cells, or errors in the early stages of mitosis. Cases of Turner syndrome vary. In most cases, females will have one X chromosome and they'll just be missing the other one. In some cases, females will have two X chromosomes, except one is defective, like I mentioned earlier. And in rare cases, females will have a combination of cells with two X chromosomes and one X chromosome. So, despite there still being some cells that work properly, without all of the cells having two X chromosomes, the DNA cannot fulfill its the processes of the human body as efficiently as it would with two X chromosomes. Despite the differences and variations of Turner syndrome, they all result in similar effects in DNA and phenotype. In Turner syndrome, DNA is not necessarily inhibited or altered. However, there's simply a large portion of it absent, specifically a whole chromosome's worth of DNA absent. And DNA helps organisms develop, survive, and reproduce, and with a large amount missing in each cell, these three processes are inhibited consequently. For example, the short height, it's the most common phenotype of women with Turner syndrome. This is due to the DNA that controls development, and which is caused by the missing X chromosome in each cell. Short height is just the most common of these phenotypic effects of Turner syndrome. Some effects that you can see simply at birth, as seen in the chart below. Some of these effects include wide or web-like neck, low set ears, cardiac defects, short fingers and toes, webbed neck. I'm sorry I said that. Puffy arms and legs, also called lymphedema, and crowded teeth. Again, these are just effects that you can see outward on the outward appearance of newborns with Turner syndrome. However, as these newborns grow and develop and go through childhood and adulthood, we can begin to see other effects that go deeper than just the outward appearance, such as slowed growth, trouble learning, reduced fertility, and lateness of puberty in life. So that's just some of the basics of Turner syndrome. Now I'm going to pass it over to Emily in the next slide to talk a little bit more about it.